Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define retained earnings account. So at the end of a fiscal year, the system carries forward the balances of the profit and loss account to the retained earnings account. You can define one or more profit and loss statement account types per chart of accounts and assign them to retained earnings account. So let's try. Go to transaction code IMG. You can use the transaction code OB53 also. Then financial accounting here. General ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparation, and here click on define return earnings account. Enter your chart of account, then click on continue. And here you need to assign your profit and loss statement account type and then the GL code for the return earnings account. So by this way you can assign the return earning accounts in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.